Join me as I challenge myself to whip up a pawsome meal that even my kitty would approve of. I've got my kitty companion right here with me, and we're about to embark on a fun cooking adventure together. My kitty loves to get involved in the kitchen, which can be a bit of a challenge. She's always trying to jump up onto the counter, tasting the ingredients, and generally making a mess. I have to admit, it's pretty hilarious to watch her try to help with the cooking. She's got her own little way of doing things, and it's not always exactly what I had in mind. My kitty is a bit of a wild card, and I never know what she's going to do next. The kitchen can get pretty chaotic when my kitty is around. She's always batting at the utensils, chasing after loose ingredients, and generally causing chaos. I've learned to just roll with it, though. After all, it's all part of the fun of cooking with a kitty. Despite the chaos, I love having my kitty in the kitchen with me. She's such a sweetie, and she always makes me laugh. As we start cooking, my kitty is right by my side. She's supervising from a perch on the counter, making sure I'm doing everything just right. I'm trying to keep the kitchen organized, but it's not easy with my kitty getting into everything. She's sniffing at the ingredients, pawing at the pots and pans, and generally making a nuisance of herself. I'm trying to focus on the recipe, but my kitty is distracting me. She's so cute, though, that I just can't stay mad at her. I'm chopping up the vegetables, the meat, and trying to keep everything under control. My kitty is helping by batting at the kitchen towels, chasing after the spoon, and making a general mess. The cooking process is a bit of a disaster, but it's also kind of fun. My kitty is having the time of her life, and I'm laughing so hard I've got tears in my eyes. We're making a bit of a mess, but it's all worth it for the entertainment value. I'm trying to get everything onto the plate, but my kitty keeps stealing the ingredients. Just as I think we're almost done, my kitty knocks over a bowl of flour, covering the entire kitchen in a cloud of white powder. It's a bit of a disaster, but it's also kind of hilarious. The flour is everywhere, on the counters, on the floor, even on my kitty's fur. She looks like a little ghost cat, and I just can't help but laugh. The flour mishap turns out to be a bit of a blessing in disguise. The dish ends up being even more delicious than I expected, and my kitty seems to approve of it too. She's licking her paws, looking very pleased with herself. And I'm just happy that we made it through the cooking process without any major disasters. In the end, we managed to create a pretty tasty meal, despite the chaos that my kitty caused in the kitchen. I'm glad we got to share this cooking adventure together, and I hope you enjoyed watching it as much as I enjoyed making it. If you've got a pet that likes to get involved in the kitchen, I'd love to hear about it in the comments. And if you're looking for more cooking videos, be sure to check out my other recipes on this channel.